Hell no, Judge. No,
Okay, first
Judge.
of all, why are you using that language, me? And see, here's the problem, Mr. Boot. Nope, shut up.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans a docket so you don't have to. Mr. Bustos has a storied past in the 187, and this is why you will see Judge Boyd have zero tolerance for his ridiculous antics. Whether it's using profanity or saying he has a learning disability, Mr. Bustos is just a rude jerk. And once you hear him, all doubt in your mind will be put aside on why he is in orange. Check out this Looney Tune taking on Judge Boyd right here. Like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
From Judge Harrell who wants me ASAP somewhere, but I told him I'm with you, and that's just not possible.
Oh, thank you. Are we ready on Mr. Bustos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to call 2019 CR 9657, State of Texas versus Julio Bustos. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Meredith McIntyre for the state.
For the defense?
Miguel Hernandez for the defense.
All right, and could you unmute? Are you Mr. Bustos?
Hello,
Are you Mr. Are you
Hello,
Mr.
Judge.
Bustos?
Hello, Judge.
Hello.
How
Are
you
you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We're proceeding by video. Any objections from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Any objections from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Bustos entered a plea of true on May 19th to violation of condition number 5. Mr. Bustos, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison? Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
I have trouble understanding. I just don't understand.
Okay, so we'll take it one at a time.
I'm sorry.
No problem. So, Mr. Bustos, you pled true to violation of condition number 5, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge.
All right. You understand you're on probation, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Under the contract that you have with the court is that if you were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 10 years in prison. Did you understand that?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, you may have worked out an agreement with the state and the defense. I don't know if I'm going to follow that agreement or not, but I need to let you know. Nope, listen to my question. Do you understand any agreement that's been worked out between the state and the defense? I don't have to follow that agreement. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. So what that means is that I could sentence you up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand that?
Yes, Judge. I do.
Do you still want to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Hell no, Judge. No,
Okay, first
Judge.
of all, why are you using that language, me? And see, here's the problem, Mr. Nope, shut up. Here's the problem, Mr. Bustos. You were here last time on May 19th, and on May 19th, you got sent back because you were behaving inappropriately. And here you are again, behaving inappropriately. I don't know. Do you want to spend the rest of your life at the jail with us waiting to do
No,
this?
Judge. I just don't want to do no 10 years.
Nope. Let me just tell you this. A lot of people don't want to get things. And a lot of people don't want to face consequences for what they've done.
Good.
But guess what? Life is filled with choices. And when you make certain choices, there are consequences for those choices. You've pled true to violation of condition number 5. If you want to have a contested hearing, we'll set this for contested hearing. So what do you want to do?
Okay.
I don't want to do no prison, no 10 years, Judge.
Yeah, okay, so this is what's going to end up happening. We're going to end up having a contested hearing on Mr. Bustos. He doesn't want to go forward.
I don't understand, Judge. There's disability out there. I'm like special needs. I don't understand what you're trying to tell me, Judge.
Yeah, you do.
And
You understand that you didn't do
And
it.
not just that, I was trying to apologize for my actions.
No, you're not trying to apologize for your actions, because if you were, you wouldn't be using profanity. You understand the consequences of your actions. You understand that you're on probation for robbery. And I understand people have special needs. I understand people may have mental health issues. I understand people may have drug issues.
But you asked me if I want to
But
do
let
10
me just
years.
tell you what.
I don't want to do 10 years, Judge. I don't.
Guess what? Nobody wants to do 10 years. Guess what? Nobody at the Bexar County Jail wants to be at the Bexar County Jail, but there are consequences for actions.
Judge.
So I don't know why you're pretending as if, oh my gosh, I can do whatever I want to do and there are no consequences. You are not a child. You're an adult. You're not a 2-year-old. You're not a toddler. You're not a baby who does not know right from wrong. There are consequences for your actions, and these are your consequences. You had a contract with the court. The court gave you an opportunity to be on probation. All you had to do while you were on probation was probably report, not pick up any new offenses, follow recommendations, and you didn't want to do that. So that's why we're here, and we're dealing with those consequences. We're dealing with consequences of you not reporting. And guess what? If you didn't want to be at the Bexar County Jail, if you didn't want to be looking at potentially 10 years in prison, then you should have reported.
Judge, I was homeless, Judge. I've been working out there too, Judge. I've been doing everything I had to.
We're going to
Judge.
have a contested hearing because obviously he doesn't want to follow with this plea or true. We're not coming back doing this again. This has been going on since May with us
Judge,
trying to have a hearing
Judge,
on his motion to revoke.
Judge, may I ask you speak, Judge, please? Judge.
What?
Judge, I've been working, Judge. I was homeless.
No, I'm not talking about what you've been. No.
Back. And yes,
Right.
I do want to go.
Norma, can I have a contested hearing set for Mr. Bustos, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Okay.
Judge, I can do July 14th.
Mr. Hernandez, is July 14th okay for you for a contested hearing?
I believe so, Your Honor, but let me just check real quick. The 14th. You said July 14th?
Yes.
I'm supposed to be picking the jury in the 399th on that day, and the guy's been in jail for like a couple of years already, so
Okay.
I'm sure that we're going to be number one on that one.
All right. Norma, do you have another date that's available?
I can do it maybe July 12th.
Is that good for you, Mr. Hernandez?
That's fine, Judge, July 12th.
Yes.
Your Honor, can I go into a breakout room with Miguel?
Yes. All right, Miguel, if you'll go to breakout room number 3.
Thank you, Judge.
And Ms. Beltran, I'm going to send you to.
A few moments later.
Continue with the plea. He understands what the situation is, and he is in agreement with what he originally pled to. And so I think.
And what are we going to do about the use of profanity?
Your Honor, I think Mr. Bustos, I'd like him to express to the court his position on that matter. Mr. Bustos?
So, Judge, I want to apologize for my actions and for my, silliness. I just have disability problems, and I'm so sorry about that.
You liar!
I mean, no disrespect to none of y'all at all. I just want to get back home to my mom and hoping to be my fiance real soon. And I'm really sorry.
Here's the thing, Mr. Bustos. Disabilities that someone may or may not have does not result in them being disrespectful. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, Judge.
And this will be the second time that you've been disrespectful. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
All right, we're going to go back on the record. In 2019 CR 9657. Bustos, you entered a plea of truth to violation of condition number 5. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison? Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, Judge.
The court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking the court to revoke his community supervision, reform the judgment, and sentence him to 2 years.
Defense, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Bustos, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Judge.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is finding violation of condition number 5 true as previously stated. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you electronically sign it?
Yes, Judge.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Bustos, you're going to find in life that you need to treat people with respect if you want to be treated with respect. You understand?
Yes, Judge.
All right, good luck to you, Mr. Bustos.
Thank you, Judge, for everything.
You're welcome.